Hi there, I'm Jennifer, and I am going to show you how to make your own stress ball. We will make you stress balls with flour. You can make yours with any item you have at your house: flour, sugar, rice, salt, even sand or dirt from outside. If you have a funnel at home, you can put it into the opening of your balloon and slowly add in the flour through the funnel. Leave the stem of the balloon empty so that you can tie it off. If you don't have a funnel, you can create a funnel with paper by rolling it and placing it to the opening of the balloon. Another option is to fill an empty water bottle and then with flour, and then easily put the balloon on the end of the water bottle and slowly fill. After your balloon is full and tied off, you now have your own stress ball. Have an adult in your house take a video or a picture of you creating your stress ball. Please upload to social media and tag @Jubilee Family Chiropractic so we can connect. Use the hashtag Jubilee Staycation, Jubilee Summer Challenge, and the Jubilee Life. We're looking forward to seeing you and your stress balls and hoping you are having a good and safe quarantine staycation.